Oh, God.
She brought you food. She really just kills them and brings them to the door?
Yes.
Yes.
One day she got pecked so bad by a bird.
A bird pecked the hell out of her because she killed the bird over there, and there's feathers everywhere.
Does she always just stand here and play with it?
No, this is the first time I've ever seen this.
She usually goes on the grass and plays with it. And then after she eats it, she's like sick for the whole day. She just doesn't, she's very lethargic.
Well, then don't let her eat it.
Well, go get it then.
I'm not taking it. You pick it up. Do you have any gloves?
She'll get pissed if I take it from her.
Can they have like rabies and like diseases in the rat?
Yeah.
That poor rat.
That's a mouse.
Where does she find them? Like, where are they?
They're wild.
She's like posing.
Now she's going to swat it a little bit. I got to back up because I'm too close. I can't. I want to get her throwing it.
Are you videotaping?
Yes.
No. Isn't there a glare on the window?
I don't know. I can't see her behind. How's that for appetizing? Let's go eat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Now if I take it away, she's going to be pissed.
Really? Does she really get upset?
Well, I mean, sure, she's showing you her prize.
She just threw it against the window.
That's what they do.
That's what they do.
They're hunters.
She seems excited about it.
She's all, well, she's got a kill. Red. What are you doing, Red? What are you doing? You're not going to bring that in here. You're not bringing that in here.